Hello. In previous videos, we saw how to create Unity navigation system based on NavMesh, NavMesh Agent, and NavMesh obstacles. In this tutorial, we're gonna give the NPC character the ability to move around specific points in the scene. So we're gonna start by creating a new class that stores some position values from the environment, and we're gonna give the NPC character the ability to patrol around it. What we're gonna do is creating some waypoints on the map and link them together. The important thing in working with waypoints is no collision or physics is included in this project. That means you need to place the waypoints where the NPC needs to move. Now let's jump into Unity and create a new sphere, call it waypoint. Give it a material. Now let's place some waypoints around the map. Then let's create a C# script and let's start coding. Let's create a new float variable and call it speed. That will be used to tweak how fast the NPC will move around the scene. Let's create a new array of transform. We will be placing in this array all the waypoints we create earlier in the scene. Now let's create a random spot. In the start function, we will set a random spot variable equal to a random number. Random spot variable equal to random dot range from 0 to move spots dot length. Now in the update function, we will get our NPC character moving to that random location. To do that, we're gonna use vector3 class to go to a random position. To do that, we need to change the transform position, so a vector3 will take the position of the player and change it with the position of the move spot random spot, and that will be included in time. Now our player will move starting from its original position to the random spot position using our speed variable. Now let's use an if statement to check if it reaches that random spot. And if it has, let's make it wait a few seconds before moving to another random location. Now let's create a new variable and call it start wait time, and another float variable wait time. In the start function, wait time equal to start wait time. Now in the if statement, let's check if the wait time is less or equal to 0. That means our NPC character will wait idle and stand idle for 2 seconds before looking for another spot to go. Now in the Unity editor, let's select our waypoints and drag them to be part of our array move spots. Now let's hit play and see what happens. As you see, our NPC character moves around our waypoints. Thanks for watching, and I hope all was clean and you will be able to implement this into whatever system you are currently working on. If you have any questions or problems, leave a comment. And with that, we will see how can I help you. Rate the course for more high quality content, and don't forget to support free education to everyone.